How to sign up for Shell account. Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create Shell account. So in order to create an account, you have to make sure that the application is completely installed. So for that case, head over to your respective Play Store and then install the app. When you already install the app, then it's going to take you to this page where you can go and select whether it's a Club Smart or business. So after that, you can go and tap the sign in button, or if you're new to it, then just click on I am new. And now you can go ahead and start applying for it. So for that case, you have to go ahead and enter in your business name, unique business number, tax number, and all that. So quickly go ahead and enter in your information, and then go ahead and click the apply button once you're done entering the following information. Next page, you'll be asked to create a login information, that is your username and then a password. Once you're done with that procedure, mark on the terms and condition, and then you've successfully signed up for Shell app account. So that's basically how you can create your Shell account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.